Welcome. If you want to block ads in your Samsung Galaxy Note 20, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on search pool and type here Opera Mini. We have to get this browser. You don't have to connect any external application, just this simple browser, and I will show you in a few moments how it works. Let's open. Grant the permission, so accept all of these notifications. Click right here to check if, okay, never mind, click here and whatever, it is open. So be sure that ad blocking is not disabled. It has to be like that. And after that we can enter the website and you will see that the ads is going to be blocked automatically. As you can see here, we got the first notification that the first ads were blocked, and it's thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. They bring it to the ad blocking to the new level. And here we get also how much the ads were blocked. So right now when you scroll down the page, we cannot find here any ads. So it's really cool. I hope that'll help you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.